Hi to Daddy Travels, bro. Mega love shout out to you, bro, and thank you so much for your always support to my channel, and to all everyone in United Kingdom. So shout out to all of you guys. Thank you very much, especially Daddy Travels, my supporter in England. Yeah, thank you very much. To all my viewers in USA, Canada, and also in United Kingdom. So thank you very much to all of you guys, and I hope you are always there to support to each other, especially Mr. Wingbin or MWB. Yes, I'm here always, guys, to shout out your name if you are always there in my comment section. So just leave a message so that next time I will shout out you guys. Yeah, so please, guys, try to visit Daddy Travels, my friend, British content creator from United Kingdom, particularly in England. So guys, to all YouTubers, viewers, subscribers all over the world, especially there in USA, please visit Daddy Travels, connect to Daddy Travels, guys. And also Daddy Travels, guys, is near to visit here in the Philippines for our collaboration. So hopefully, guys, you can watch our collaboration, guys, and of course many vlogs will happen here in the Philippines very soon. So guys, to all my viewers outside in the Philippines, so don't forget subscribe to this channel, guys, so that you will be the one can witness to our big collaboration with Daddy Travels in the Philippines very soon. Yes, so to all my friends, subscribers, viewers there in Canada and USA, and also here in the Philippines, yes, please, guys, don't forget, guys, visit Daddy Travels.